Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm so excited we get to do another one of these so soon. How lucky are we? Maybe not so lucky for our bank accounts because this latest Lawn Fawn release was amazing. I usually am not a huge fan of summer releases because it's winter here when the summer releases come out, and so it's a bit hard to envision warm sunny days when we're cold and miserable. So I find that my summer purchases are always a little bit smaller than my, say, Halloween and Christmas ones. So to have a collection come out that was so good and so big, oh my gosh, it's done some damage. So let's see what I got. I obviously couldn't get everything I wanted in one go, so I will probably have a smaller unboxing again next month when I can grab those extra items that I want. But for now, these are the things that I saw and knew that I had to have immediately. I didn't want to miss out on these things. I purchased all of my things from Hobby Hoppers. I'm so excited to get into this and use these items for the design team work there too. So let's have a look. Okie dokie, let's grab everything out. Okay, here we go. Trish always packs things so beautifully. It's one of the reasons I love grabbing my things from Hobby Hoppers. I just know, look how well that's packed. Nothing here is going to bend. There's heaps of cardboard in here. Everything is safe. Okay, so this is everything. I did go a little bit overboard, didn't I? There's a lot of new stuff to play with, but sometimes I feel like I hardly even pack away my old stuff before a new release comes out. So let's have a look at what I got. So I got the Toucan Do It set. This was a must, an absolute must. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you'll know that I love toucans. My son, when he was really little, had this obsession with toucans, and his imaginary friend was a toucan. So toucans hold a little bit of a special place for me. They're just really cute. I'm looking forward to using these other little characters too. The lizard is adorable, and I'm loving the leaves. I just love all the tropical things. I'm really glad this little flower's in here because I'm currently working on a card that I've been waiting for these things to arrive so that I can finish it off, and I'm just really glad to see that that flower is in there. It's going to be wonderful. Okay, this is a little bit older, so sorry for sneaking this one in too. I got the Hooray pop-up die. I really enjoyed using my thanks one, and I feel like Hooray is going to do really well for pretty much every celebration. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I do have a card in mind already for this one. It's a little bit on the cheeky side, but I'm sure I will get around to making it soon and then I can show you. Okay, this is very exciting to me because when you're in Australia and you're nowhere near all of these amazing companies that do collabs, shipping can cost more than the items themselves. So I had to pass on this when it came out a while ago because I'd already bought the Love Your Bunches set and I've had a few of the Christmas sets from overseas as well. And so it just was not in the budget the last time this one came available. But I'm just so happy I've got my hands on it now. I probably could have waited and gotten this next month because I don't currently have any plans for this. But I was so worried that it would sell out and I would lose my chance to get it. So here it is. I'm really excited. I just love all these little things. They're just so cute. I love the foods in that because I can just see myself making more little kitchen scenes with my little characters and all the adorable food. Okie dokie. Oh yes, here we go. I have been very excited to use this. I do have a card in mind for this already. I just can't wait to use it. I love the detail. I think this is just wonderful. I've got a real thing for these tropical plants. Maybe because we see a lot of palms and things here. So it's a bit of a relatable die, but it's just stunning. I love these little flowers too. They're just going to be so much fun to play with. I can't wait to use that one. What have we got? Oh yes, I had to get these as well. I have just been wanting dies like this for so long, and then to see them be released is just ridiculously exciting. I have so many jungle themed things. Like I've said, I've already got toucan stamps. I've got a whole bunch of jungle animal stamps too that these are just going to go so well with. I just love that. That is just amazing. I'm so excited about this release. Here we go. Build a campsite. Now, I can honestly say I have never been camping in my life, other than like school camps. So camping doesn't really appeal to me very much, but this little tent, I've already got some really cute ideas for this. So I just can't wait to use this already. I'm not going to spoil it. I'll wait. You'll just have to wait and see what I make with that. Happy birthday. Now, I did look at both of these birthdays, and I did like the one that had birthday as one word, the happy birthday to you, but there's something about this one that I like a little bit better. It's probably because most of my cards are portrait, and I like that this one, from what I've seen, fits nicely on a big slimline card as well. So I'm all for whatever is the most versatile and can be used as much as possible. I'm really excited to use this one, especially with the tiny birthday people. So let's see, is this them? Here we go, tiny birthday friends. Oh my gosh, I just love them. They're so cute. I just need a minute to take in all the little details. They're so cute. I love that little piñata. That is just adorable. And even the dog and cat are wearing a party hat. I honestly don't even think I looked closely when I was purchasing these things. I knew I wanted them. I threw them all in my cart because I didn't want them to sell out, and then checked out. And I didn't sit there, and I watched the videos, but I honestly didn't even really notice that the dog and cat had party hats. And that is just such a sweet little detail. I love this so much. I can't wait to make birthday cards. I think I just need to make a stack of birthday cards just to get it out of my system. And last but not least, I got the tropical leaves background stencils. Oh my gosh, I'm really, really excited to use these. I think they're going to be so much fun. I honestly was not going to get these until I saw some of the design team work by Lawn Fawn, where they had used these in the background and then used things like the tropical border around a stenciled background, and they're just stunning. I think someone did a slimline card too with this, and I can't wait to use them. I just think these are going to make the nicest cards. I just think they're going to make the most beautiful backgrounds. So there we have it. It isn't everything that I want yet. So like I said, there will be another unboxing probably next month. Don't forget, I got mine from Hobby Hoppers. That's the website there. Highly recommend them. Trish is wonderful, and she's just a machine, getting orders out so quickly so that we can enjoy our stuff ASAP. Oh my gosh, I am just so excited to get into this and start using all of these things. I'd love to know what you got. What was your must-have from this release? Did you get similar things to me, or did you get other things? Maybe they're the items that I'll be grabbing next month. I can't wait to see what you make, and I can't wait to share what I have in mind. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.